How to use Lyft Wait and Save feature. To use the Lyft Wait and Save feature, first of all, you have to launch the application on your device. Tap on the Where to tab or Where are you going search bar at the top of the interface. Then type your final destination address or business name and select it. Now you simply have to view the menu. A sliding layout panel will appear displaying all available tiers. Look at the baseline tier option, then tap the option explicitly labeled as Wait and Save. The upfront price displayed will be lower than a standard Lyft ride. Now you simply have to review the broader pickup window displayed on the option card. Ensure you're not in a rush before hitting Submit. Once you do this, you simply have to tap the Select Wait and Save and choose your preferred linked payment profile and confirm your request. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.